Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Firepower Princess Peach. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start with two curves near the top here for the eyes. Next, underneath toward the center, let's draw two large ovals. And then inside, on the top right, let's draw a small circle. And then in the center, let's draw another circle curve behind it. And then let's color both of the pupils in black. Next, underneath, let's draw a small curve. Lastly, let's add 3 eyelashes on each eye. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move up and draw the eyebrows with a curve above each one. Next, let's move down in the center and draw a small curve for the nose. And below it, let's add a curve for the mouth. And then one more smaller curve below for the bottom lip. Now let's hop up in the middle between the eyebrows and let's draw 2 curves up, forming a curved V shape for the hair. Now step down from the top and let's draw an angled line out and back up at the end. And the same on the right. Then from the ends, let's curve it back in and up. Now let's hop down and draw the pieces of hair next to her face. Let's start by drawing a curve down and then curve it back up. And the same on the right. Next, let's draw the bottom shape of the face. Let's draw 2 curves coming down to a point in the middle here. Next, let's add the earrings. On the side, let's draw a circular curve on both sides. And then add a curve above it for the ears. Next, let's hop up and finish drawing the hair. Let's start on the top in the center here. Let's draw a curve over to the left, down, and flick it up at the end. And let's do the same on the right. Now for the ends, let's curve it back down and in. And then one more curved piece of hair up and back down to finish it off. Next, let's hop to the top and add the crown. Let's start in the center above the head and draw a large oval shape. And then let's draw another one inside. Now on the left side, let's draw 2 curves down like this. And the same on the right. And then inside, let's add 1 more curve. Next in the center, above the middle gem, let's draw a V shape up. Then angle it out on the sides and back down. And that's it for the crown. Next, let's move down and add the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw 2 short lines down. Then underneath, let's draw a bumpy line to the top of the collar. Then angles down. And then a curve at the bottom. Next, from the sides, let's draw 2 small angles out. Then let's curve it down and out on both sides. Then bring it back in for the sides of the body. And then a V shape underneath to close it off. Next, let's add some details inside. Let's start by drawing an oval inside at the top. And then let's draw another larger oval around it. Now on either side, let's start at the top and let's draw a bent line down, like this. Next, let's draw the top of her skirt. Let's draw curves down on both sides. And now let's move into the middle and let's draw curves down to both sides. Next, inside at the top, let's draw a curve and then bring it up at the end. And then 1 more curve underneath on both sides. Next, let's hop back up and draw the sleeves. Let's start at the shoulders and let's draw a curve out and back in. And the same thing on the right side. Now inside each sleeve at the bottom, let's draw 2 curves. And that's it for the sleeves. Next, let's add the arms. Under the sleeves, let's draw a diagonal line down, and then a longer one underneath. And the same thing on the other side. Now from the ends of both lines, let's angle it up and out. Next, let's add the hands. From that top line, let's draw a curve up and then an S curve out like this. Then from the end, let's curve it back in. Now let's do the same thing for the right hand. Now let's hop inside. At the top of the arm, let's draw a curve for the top of the gloves. Next, on top of the left hand, let's add the fireball. Let's start with the curve. Then let's draw a point up on the left, another longer one, one more up, and back down. And then one more point up to close off the right side. Next, let's finish drawing the back of her hair. Let's start next to the left ear and let's draw a curve down and out to the arm. Then let's continue it below the arm, curve it out, and back in. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move down and finish drawing her dress. From the sides, let's draw angled lines down. Next, let's hop in the middle and draw a curve across. Then let's continue it to the left with a wavy line. And the same on the right. Next, let's add some folds in her skirt. Let's start at the top in the middle and let's draw 2 curved lines down. And then 2 shorter ones on the sides. Now let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw an angled line down on the left and on the right. And then close off the bottom by following that same wavy line across. And that's it for Princess Peach. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!